Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the longevity diet, a lifestyle that promises not just a longer life, but a healthier, happier one too. The longevity diet centers around nutrient-rich, whole foods. It's all about giving your body the best fuel possible. Let's kick things off with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Packed with antioxidants, they help fight off free radicals and promote cellular health. Next up, berries. These little powerhouses are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They're like nature's sweet treats for a long and healthy life. And don't forget about nuts and seeds. They're loaded with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients that support heart health and brain function. Incorporating fatty fish like salmon or mackerel can be a game changer. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health and reducing inflammation. Now, let's have a little fun with this. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Remember, a bit of humor never hurts when you're talking about good food choices. Okay, back to business. Our next superstar ingredient is turmeric. This spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is a staple in many longevity diet recipes. And of course, let's not forget about green tea. It's packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which can help protect cells and support a healthy metabolism. So there you have it, folks. The longevity diet is all about nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate these goodies into your meals, and you'll be well on your way to a longer, healthier life. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights on health and wellness. Until next time, keep eating well and living well.